Oh, I'm not hearing Igbo.
You know be Igbo?
No, sir.
Don't laugh here, don't come here and get me a church. You can't get here, no problem. You know be Igbo, who to send you here? Remove that your hands from your pocket from that your porret. Where I can wear them na porret inga. Off of that freezer. Off of that freezer. Off him. Off him. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You know be waiting. You know be Igbo. You from where?
Akwaibom.
You from Akwaibom. So how you come here? Come the laugh. You they hear what they talk. You they hear what they talk where you come
Small,
here.
small.
You they hear them for small. So who tell you waiting they do here? Where make you come?
My friend.
Who be your friend?
She's not with me.
She tell you say make you do it here.
I'm hearing you small, but I cannot reply to what you are saying.
What do you know say they do here?
Interview.
How many men were you there right from this my last time?
Nobody. Why would I can't be writing for men?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Stand up and go back. Sure you know say what they do here go enter the whole social media.
Yes. Can you see me like this?
On better light for roof. On better light for roof. Don't on that fridge light. Open window.
My window is open already.
Stand there. Stand at that place you are standing now. Turn your back. Come on, subscribe for that place. So you can subscribe or check out. Subscribe or like share and watch it get back get just know what you have to share the game for what? Subscribe or for this place. Carry your hair, go front. What happened to your Otele?
No.
Huh? What happened to your Otele? You don't get Otele?
I get.
Huh? Come, carry reverse and come. You don't do. See him. You see him. You see as you carry your telephone, look like a Sam. You come here, come there, say they. If you laugh there, I bring you down. I find you get disappointment Monday mbongo. See as you carry mbongo Tuesday mbongo nyase, come here. You carry a rika iko nyase. You come here, you come say you make I do your interview. Otele, what other people they get, you don't get them for Otele. At easy. Look at. Come, you they do karat?
No, sir.
So what to make you can't get him on Kenyash? What to make you can't get him on Kenyash?
Oh, no.
You don't know.
Yes.
That would have fun with it. Your name?
Peace.
Peace who?
Peace Sylvester.
How old are you?
23.
Which school you go?
No, you can no folk.
Huh?
No, you can no folk.
No, you can no fuck.
Yes. That's where I school.
No, you can no fuck.
Yeah, that's where I school.
Okay, who fuck who?
Ufok means house.
Okay, no, you can no fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, papa, mama, they alive.
My mom is dead, but my dad is alive.
Donna. My own one.
No problem, sir.
Waiting take care your mama.
And she was sick and she passed on.
Hey. No.
Thank you, sir.
What it make you come one make Igbo man be your husband? Since you know say here now Igbo people they do interview. You can't come in interview for Igbo, or you want make the world to see you, or you want get follower, or you truly want make you be Igbo man own. What it make you come?
Okay, since I've dated two people, like two guys, just two guys, but it's Igbo that I've been dated since I've started dating.
I don't understand. What did make you come? You want make Igbo people marry you?
I like
What
Igbo
is the
people.
reason?
I like Igbo people.
Huh?
I like Igbo people. I like all tribe, apart from Hausa.
You like Igbo people?
Yeah.
Waiting Igbo people, you wait till you see for Igbo people upon the way make you like them.
They are good people now. Everybody is good, so they are good people.
So why you no marry from your side?
I don't know. My side, my tribe can even be here safe. So it's not only Igbo people that is here.
Okay.
Yeah.
For your age, if you no go focus for here, if you no go leave anything with age, listen, I'm not playing here with you. If you no go leave with you, they do not focus here. I come out to you here.
Sorry, sir.
That's you resemble placenta. You come here, come the lab open teeth here. I don't want that laughter. Chileka. I don't want that laughter. Can't resemble war ghetto. You come here, come the open teeth like say me and you they play.
Sorry, sir.
Them you. How many of your family members they are alive?
My sister, we are just three.
You don't get a second score for her before.
No, sir.
Your mama call in the get second score before.
No, sir.
Spirit of begging they own a family.
No.
Longer throat unko.
No.
You don't ever day like this. You go the waka for road. You go see man where they peace. You go begin carry eye. They look in Ebola. You don't do it before.
By mistake.
Okay, when you they look at how they take look at.
No, I just come on my eye.
I don't want that laughter here. I'm not joking with you. I'm a looker. If you the waka for road, you they hear people they do you.
I don't even do that safe.
If you the waka for road, people they men they call you like this.
Yes. Yes.
He trash do you for nyash.
No, sir.
You they smell.
No, sir.
For your family, will not get anybody will be idiot.
No.
Mumunko.
Not at all.
If they shave your under.
Sure.
Get any time where they put tubular for your thing. In any way you can't shout, tie.
No, sir.
Man, don't they suck your breast? You can't they shout, clock it.
No, sir.
How many men you don't do it before? 3. All these men where you they follow up and down. No one don't ever tell you say I want marry you.
They do, sure, but
So what to make you no agree for any of them?
we didn't match.
You know match for waiting for money or for height.
No, like some things. It's not about money.
Una no match for waiting.
We don't match because of some little things like that. Like
You know sabi do. They know they sabi perform. Huh?
one of the reason.
Huh?
One of the reason.
I don't want that laughter. And they ask you, they know sabi perform.
Yes.
Okay. How many minutes then they stay where they know sabi perform?
15 minutes
Then they stay 15 minutes
or 10 minutes.
and 10 minutes, and you know they do you. Oh, nketa. Get her. You see, as I see say you not getting yash, I see I'm say you resemble dog, a cookie. You see, man, a day 15 minutes, 10 minutes, you know, agree, you know, do you. If you laugh here, I remove you here. Take out the joke. If you laugh here, come out here.
Sorry, sir.
Man, a day 15 minutes, 10 minutes, you know, do you. 23 years. When I one person, when I go send is over the bad. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you know, do you. One person will go die for your hand.
Sorry, sir.
Them you, bingo. But them you, 15, 10 minutes. Now they look for who I go send over to the another world.
No, that 15 minutes, you will not want to do it again.
I send them you. If I don't go buy dog, and I keep for your house. Go buy dog or you buy a cow. May they carry leg, a cow carry leg, they match inside your abunda. They match them inside. My bingo. 15 minutes, 10 minutes, you know, do you. You get that thing where women they use put for their abunda for satisfaction.
No, I don't.
You don't do woman to woman before.
No.
Which part of Calabar are you from?
Uyo.
Where in Uyo?
Aaron.
Where in Oron?
No, Ikonufok.
Where in Ikonufok?
Is it no Ikonufok now?
If they suck a man,
If he's neat and he's my man, so I will do that.
you don't use your hand, tell man, say you like her, you want to make you an date.
No.
If married man won't add you to his wife, you go agree?
You say?
If married man we don't marry, won't carry you join body for his wife, you go accept?
No.
You don't ever save man number with Mugu 1, Mugu 2, Mugu 3, Mugu 4.
No.
You get some person where you and the day, you go get another different guy altogether. That person where you love no go no. But you get side boyfriend up and down. You get that. You don't do it before.
Like just talking terms, not someone that we do together.
If man they do you they come.
Sure.
If you want come, wait till they talk.
Oh.
Hey, talk am for your language.
Mbakungwe,
I know they hear you. Talk am for your language. They talk. Make you go there talk. They spell them. I don't want that laughter. I'm not joking with your people. If you think I play here, I'm not joking. Who is laughing with you here?
It's sweet. Do it well.
I said talk am for your language. You talk am for your language. Spell them.
I don't feel spell for my language.
Spell your coming. Oh. I said spell your coming. You know go come. Make I come spell them for you. I said spell up.
I can't spell it in my language, please.
So make I come spell your Anna make I spell your Anna make here. Okay. Genotype. Blood group.
O positive.
Listen to me.
Okay, sir.
No matter whosoever that calls you, anybody who is serious should come and see your mama and papa.
No problem.
Don't go and say you because you meet so person in my life. The person tell you marriage. Say make you come visit them. Don't ever try it. As I'm telling my tribal people is the way I will still tell you. Are you hearing me? Any Jupiter that call you that is serious with you should come to your hometown, meet your family members. Call your number. And nobody that meets you from my live stream will give you any money. Nobody will give you 1 naira. Listen to me. All my fans here, if they are talking with you on phone, nobody is giving you shishi. If you have problem related to your family people. Your problem will be solved when a man comes into your life. So if you are here to get a man that will give you 1 naira, foul. That is my law, my rule. And they obey it. We are the obedient people. We are stingy in nature. Obi. Say Obi.
Obi.
Good. Oh yeah. Call your number.
080 2957.
Watch Italia. Watch Italia. Well, we should watch Italia. And then I need the weekend. Come on, subscribe for that place. So you can subscribe, watch the Kabago. Subscribe or like, I get share, or what I am. And watch it, I get back. They just know what I tackle shares again for what? Subscribe or for this place, Chinekabago.
080 295716.
Call them again.
080 295716.
I say, call your phone number. Go.
080 295716.
Where are you watching me from?
From Lagos.
Huh?
From Lagos.
Okay.